To enable background app refresh on your iPhone, start by locating and tapping the settings icon on your home screen. This will open the main settings menu, where you'll need to scroll down slightly until you find the General option. Tap on General to access its submenu, and within this section, you'll see an option labeled Background App Refresh. Selecting this will take you to the Background App Refresh settings, where you can view the current status of the feature. If it's turned off, as indicated at the top of the screen, you can easily activate it by tapping the toggle button. Once activated, you'll have the choice to enable background app refresh over Wi-Fi only, or both Wi-Fi and mobile data. For this example, selecting Wi-Fi will enable the feature, allowing apps to refresh their content in the background when connected to a Wi-Fi network. After enabling background app refresh, you'll notice that, by default, all apps are set to use this feature. However, you can customize which apps are allowed to refresh in the background by toggling the individual buttons next to each app. This allows you to exclude specific apps if you want to limit their background activity, which can help save battery life or data. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can turn on or off background app refresh on your iPhone, giving you control over how your apps update in the background. I hope this guide was helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one.